Hello and welcome to HellermannTyton. My name is Antje and today we're diving into the newest evolution of pneumatic tools, introducing our new EVO7p. Today with me is Jan, our product expert. Welcome.
Thank you, Antje. Thank you for having me. I'm glad to be here. So the EVO7p is our newest tool for pneumatic cable ties and for high volume cable tie applications.
So what exactly is the EVO7p and what's it used for?
Yeah, the EVO7p is our latest version. It's a pneumatic bundling tool. It's designed for cable ties up to 4.8 millimeters. It's operated with compressed air up to 6 bar. And we use this tool for high volume serial production of harness manufacturing.
Jan, isn't automation a big trend? Where does a pneumatic tool like the EVO7p still fits in?
That's a good question, Antje. So we see a huge interest in automation today. That's true. But the manual process isn't going away. So there will be always an interest in also in pneumatic tools because this tool is very flexible and it's also very easy in use. So the automotive industry and also the electrical industry will require this tool today and also in the future.
So what are the advantages of the tool? Can you explain us a little bit more?
Yes, sure, Antje. So the advantages is definitely the speed of the tool. I can also demonstrate it to you. So it's easy to plug in the pneumatic hose here, then the tool can be operated. So the next step is you just have to position the head of the tool according to the cable tie and then just pull the trigger. And you see how easy and fast this was. So absolutely no efforts for the operator. The second point is the weight of the tool. So it's just roughly 300 grams. Which is a very lightweight one, so you can also try it. So it's very, very nice. And then, of course, we have some nice features here. So we have a hanging hook here. This is used in industry applications. And we have 2 ports to input the compressed air. So we have here an upper level and we have here the lower level. And when we talk about the tension force, you can also adjust the tension force, of course. So it's very easy. Just pull the latch here and then you can adjust with the tension knob different tension settings. So when the tension is correctly set, then the tool is fixed and then you do the application. So a very easy, very lightweight and very fast.
So, and what makes the new EVO7p different from the existing or the old tools, the MK3P and the MK7p?
Yeah, so I think this is quite obvious. So you can first, at the first glance, you can see that this tool is a very outdated and very old version. So we have this metal housing here. If you compare the weight of the tool, so it's totally different. So we don't have an upper air, we have just a lower air. So we try to get as much as the functionalities or the disadvantages from these tools and improve the latest version here. So we integrated all the things what we said in the past were not so good and improved this version here. And we have also used the latest HellermannTyton design speech of the existing EVO series. We have a lot of parts which we use in this tool, also from existing tools. So for example, the tension knob or the latch or the front area here. This makes it also very easy for our customers when we talk about maintenance and spare parts, because we're using a lot of existing spare parts from our existing tools. So this is definitely a very good improvement step that we took out the old tools and moved to the new version, to the existing EVO family design.
So Jan, who benefits from the new tool?
Yeah, and here, like I said before, so we have the existing market, or we know the existing market from our existing tools. So we have industries like automotive or electrical market. But wherever you have a high volume cable tie manufacturing, this tool is perfect for you.
Yeah, Jan, thank you for the interesting insights. Where can the viewer learn more about the tool?
Yeah, you can either go to our website or you can contact your local sales team.
Yeah, thank you for watching. See you next time and happy bundling.